Welcome to the Subhadra News of SNBP International Schools. This initiative marks a breakthrough in school communication. This channel shall telecast exciting news of the schools located in Yerwada, Morwadi, Rahatani and Chikhli. It is about the students' achievements, teachers' achievements and the creative programs of the school. Our schools are a renowned laboratory of experiments, housing a repository of amazing talents. The incredible things that happen here shall blow your minds. And we hope that our schools shall continue to attract such amazing talents from across India. This week's news headlines are: SNBP International School Rahatani goes a step forward in inclusive education. Joyous and colourful pre-primary activities held in SNBP International School, Morwadi. Graduation Day celebrated in SNBP International School, Chikhli. Marathi Divas celebrated in SNBP School, Yerwada with full enthusiasm. SNBP International School Rahatani identified all the differently abled students across different grades and their SA2 examination was held separately in the school library. Here, the teachers provided special one-to-one attention under the guidance of the school counsellor.
This is our school library. Now it is born a new author. We have students writing their SA2 exam under the supervision of the school's counsellor, Miss Bhavini Shah.
Today there are many children who have issues with reading, writing and spellings. They also get distracted and have attention issues. However, their understanding and concepts are pretty clear. So here at SNBP Rahatani, we have taken a step where we are evaluating them on their concepts and learning instead of just written work. We have a process for this. The children are referred by teacher and then we have a small meeting along with remediation work. And then in the library we have a ratio of 1:3. That's in one teacher as to 3 students who help them with detailed work, detailed understanding and give individual attention to get the best out of them. During SA1 we have seen a lot of positive responses post that, and also we did a small remediation work after meeting the parents, and the difference between SA1 and SA2 has been extremely positive and is satisfying.
This is indeed a touching moment. So many students getting one-to-one attention and guidance. This is Pranav Pujari from class 50 reporting for Subhadra News channel along with cameraman Nimay from SNBP School Rahatani.
Wow, what a wonderful initiative taken by SNBP International School Rahatani. This differentiated learning will definitely help students to enhance their skills and interests. Every child is gifted. They just unwrap their packages at different times. Here, the junior SNBPians of Morwadi showcase their talents through various activities.
The best things in life aren't the things, they are your friends. To feel this, our pre-primary section of SNBP IS Morwadi is celebrating Buddy Day. The activities conducted are preparing of headbands for their friends, and we also have a DJ room in which the students will enjoy their dance. We have a tiny SNBPian to inform us more about this day.
Story is simple and very interesting story, but whatever the efforts are taken by these teachers are very nice, because this is a very difficult to set in the form of the model. It is very difficult for the small children. Whatever efforts are taken by the teachers are really great, and really hats off to them.
I, Arya Khangrekar, with cameraman Atharva Pathare, reporting from SNBP IS Morwadi for Subhadra News.
Surely, the students seem to have enjoyed themselves thoroughly. The tiny tots of SNBP International School, Chikhli completed their initial stage in the odyssey of learning. To mark this change, SNBP International School, Chikhli celebrated Graduation Day to congratulate the little ones on their successful completion of pre-primary education.
The senior KG students of SNBP International School, Chikhli have completed their first stage in the journey of education. This leap from pre-primary to primary is a big achievement for the little learners, and hence to congratulate them, SNBP International School, Chikhli celebrates the graduation day.
You put your right foot in and you shake it all around. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about, yeah. You put your left foot in.
Our Honorable Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Anshi Bhanot Patta and Mrs. Devyani Bhosle Pachange, Director of SNBP International School, Chikli, Mrs. Kavita Joshi, Principal of Junior College, are present here to grace this occasion. The parents too actively participate in the events.
Strange-looking man came to the town.
This day does not mark the end. Instead, it's just the beginning as the tiny stars of SNBP are going to embrace the new stage that is the primary level, which will give them a wider view of the term education.
As the tiny dots set out on a new journey, we pray that they grow up to be wonderful beings of tomorrow. This is Piyush Singh with cameraman Som Ingle from SNBP International School, Chikli, reporting for Subhadra News.
Wow, it was a really fabulous program to encourage the tiny tots. It is always a pleasure to learn a new language. Marathi is the regional language of Maharashtra. Marathi Divas is celebrated on the birthday of eminent Marathi poet V.V. Shirvatkar.
Marathi is the base language of Maharashtra. Marathi Divas is celebrated on the birthday of eminent Marathi poet V.V. Shirvatkar. SNBP School Yerwada had organized Marathi Divas with full enthusiasm. The chief guest of the event was eminent speaker Mr. Rahul Chauhan. There was a motivational speech delivered by students. A beautiful dance was performed by students on Lak Lak Chanderi. Legium dance was performed by students. All teachers as well as students were beautifully dressed up in Marathi costume. लाभले आम्हास भाग्य बोलतो मराठी. I, Zia Sheikh with cameraman Vishwajit from SNBP School Yerwada reporting for Subhadra News.
It will surely help to make a strong bond between the students and the language. Let us all remember that it doesn't matter what a person is born, but what they grow up to be. Thank you for watching Subhadra News. It is always a pleasure to relay the weekly news and make it live. I am Diya Goyal along with camera person Akshay Narayan signing off for Subhadra News. Watch us on the school's website. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends and family. May the world witness the progress of the SNBPians breaking conventions along the way.